Hey, and welcome to Alt 1. Now it's late in night, it's 11, and we are going to run our free binary option robot that works worldwide, and we are going to run it from 11 till 12 in night in Europa. So, if you want this robot, you can download it right here, right now, or you can use the link below the video. But all the time will be more like a dot there that you can just push, and you can download it directly. So, it's a quite amazing robot, and you should have it also. And also make sure if you're a new user to subscribe to my channel. You help me out a lot, and it will be more fun for me to make videos. There's more people that is actually looking these type of videos. So let's start up the robot and see how we do this night. have run the robot for 1 hour. Was not any risky trade at all. Thankfully, I did turn on the RSI because I don't think even we got one trade with Alpha 1 trade, because that robot is super careful. That's the thing, that's the reason you can run it, because it's super safe. But the RSI I did just for action. That's why I had start bid of $10 with the Alpha 1 trader that I don't think got any trade, and the RSI robot at $1 because it's an unsafe robot. It's not a robot that you should run with a low balance. I can do it because I have a higher balance, but Alpha 1 trader you can run because it's a safe robot. But also you don't get so many trades. Typically I was expecting at least 4 or 5 trades in 1 hour, because that's what I typically should get. Even was one time I did run, I think I made like $110 in like 30 minutes. So sometimes you can get many trades and sometimes not so many. Now it's in the middle of the night in Europa. Let's see, it's 12 in night. So that means it's not so much action going on, because it's basically the Asian session we have going on now, and it's not so much action in the Asian session. So if you want to run this robot, you can run it 24/7, but the time that it will be most action is in the European session, where all the European banks and things are trading and things like that. And also when United States open, you have this crossover. That's the most action. So, but by the way, was profit. We are happy with that. So once again, how much did we make? I think it was like 20 something dollar. It was not $25. So not a big amount of money, but it's profit. Profit is profit. We take everything we can. So you can have this robot completely for free. Link below the video. So with that, have a perfect day.